कैसे हो आप लोग? गाड़ी गर्म कर रहे हैं थोड़ी। गाड़ी प्लेलिस्ट लगा लें अपनी। ये सुनते हैं पहले, यहाँ से चालू करेंगे आज की जर्नी। तो अभी मैं वॉन जा रहा हूँ टू मीट वन ऑफ माई बड़ी और एक्साइटिंग आज का वीडियो होने वाला है बहुत। पहले मुझे जाना है लेकिन पोस्ट ऑफिस। शॉपर्स के अंदर होते हैं ज़्यादातर कनाडा पोस्ट। वापस अपन निकल पड़े। मैं सबसे सीधे चले जा रहा हूँ और ये कुछ बोल नहीं रहा था जीपीएस, तो मैंने कहा कहीं गड़बड़ तो नहीं जा रहा हूँ। ऊपर के बाद चीज़ ये क्या हो रहा है? ये व्हाट द फक। calling you. Alright man. ये कह रहा है कि वो मेरा नेबर था, पता नहीं क्या बोलता है। मेरे को म्यूजिक से कुछ सुनाई दे रहा था। और ये है यूनियन एक्सप्रेस, यूनियन पियर्सन एक्सप्रेस जो अभी जा रही है। ओह, वेस्टर्न रोड जाती है पूरा ऊपर तक। ये देखो भसड़ ट्रैफिक, बहुत सारा ट्रैफिक, इधर भी बहुत सारा ट्रैफिक। रोड ट्रिप्स कितनी बढ़िया होती है ना। ऐसा हो कि मतलब मुझे कुछ करना ही ना पड़े, मैं निकल जाऊँ बस रोड ट्रिप के लिए। रोड ट्रिप पे निकल जाऊँ और रुकूँ ही ना। ऑलराइट मैन, अब मैं वॉन पहुँच गया हूँ। कॉफ़ी पियेंगे। हे थैंक यू। हाँ भाई किधर है? लंच कर रहा है? क्या कर रहा है लंच में?
हाँ?
क्या खा रहा है लंच में?
सब खा रहा हूँ, सब।
अरे सब खा रहा है? अरे वाह, गुड जॉब। चलो एक मेरे लिए बना दे। हिज फैमिली ओन्स दिस स्टोर, सो मिस्टर सब, अगर कोई वॉन में है तो यहाँ पे आना और जरूर खाना। हेलो, गुड, हाउ आर यू? और पायलट बाबू क्या हाल है भाई? हाँ फक।
One eternity later.
वो कौन सी गाड़ी में जा रहे हैं भाई? ये बेहतर ही है। ये नई वाली है ना? ये 360 वॉक अराउंड मैं आपको दूंगा अभी। और कितने की पड़ी भाई है? टर्बो भाई, नेक्स्ट लेवल गाड़ी। बहुत शिट, मर्सिडीज बेंज। हॉर्स पावर 580 हॉर्स पावर। सिक। ओह शिट। संदीप भाई के साथ मेरा सेकंड वीडियो है। अभी थोड़े दिन में भाई पायलट बन जाएगा, खतरनाक वाला। तो बताइए इस गाड़ी के बारे में कुछ खास बात।
खास बात यही है कि it comes under supercar territory.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing.
नाइस। इसका इंश्योरेंस कितना है? डोंट केयर। पैसा बहुत है भाई के पास। No, but in general, अगर कोई नॉर्मल इंसान लेना चाहे तो
It all depends upon your driving history and also the 5 stars that you have in your driving license. Right?
Yeah.
And if you have a light license, that also insurance comes down.
Yeah.
Very minimal.
Yeah, you have a little bit of experience with. Plus, you have experience with other sports cars.
Exactly.
So इससे पहले कौन सी थी भाई?
I had the 2019 M5.
M5 है, BMW. Nice. So
उससे पहले C63S था.
So was this your dream car or like?
Well,
Your dad?
for me, I yet don't know which which is gonna be my dream. I love cars. I don't have a specific car. Then if I can afford a Ferrari, it's fine.
Yeah, nice.
Okay. So this is all digital cluster.
Nice.
Yeah. So you can do many things, like you can see all of that.
Oh yeah, nice.
And then it's got different features where you can have it.
इसमें तो underglow वगैरह भी होगा ना, खतरनाक होता है.
हाँ, सब है.
Nice.
And then you can change the way you want this thing to look also. This is the sticker that I was talking about.
Okay.
That sticker tells you that not to do above 140 kilometers for 1500 kilometers.
So अभी 400 more kilometers to
Yeah, I'm closing.
break in. Yeah, because अभी हम लोग इसको ना full throttle नहीं मार सकते. Because
This is what the company recommends.
company recommended. In terms of safety also, I don't recommend going over 140 anyways. मैंने गाड़ी देख ली थी, but तब पार्क थी है क्योंकि कोई फायदा नहीं है विंटर में चलाने का जी गाड़ी.
Do you really want to drive it in snow? I don't think so. Because
Yeah, no.
जितना भी snow tires हो, grip नहीं रहता है.
Yeah, and then because of the rear wheel drive,
Rear wheel drive,
also
yes.
does like the fishtail kind of thing,
Yeah.
which is not that great when you are driving in the snow. More of a recreational vehicle kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, because the kind of seats also this has, that seat for longer.
पीछे देखो.
पीछे देखो पीछे
407 जाएंगे हम लोग. 407 is a toll road. वहाँ पे थोड़ी हम भगा सकते हैं और ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक भी बहुत कम होता है वहाँ पे.
The roads are much
So
better.
how do you use 407 transponder? Or?
Yes, there's a transport.
So we're about to get into 407 ATR.
This is the one.
This is a transponder. So basically जैसे इंडिया में हुआ था ना स्कैनर्स टाइप के, सेम कॉन्सेप्ट, बट अभी हम घुसने वाले हैं ATR पे.
The boiler also goes up. नीचे.
भाई, oh fuck, yeah. We're caking it in 145 right now. Oh, amazing भाई, क्या साउंड है इसकी इस समय ना. You can hear the sound. और मैं 407 पे तीसरी बार आ रहा हूँ. I think people who use it,
it is very
yeah, they use
convenient.
it. It's amazing. Yeah, my friend used to use it.
Yeah, because constantly if you're traveling,
कर लिया है 407 just one exit bar, just to see the power of it. It's so fucking powerful. V8 engine, 580 horsepower, which is fucking crazy. Because I mean, it's way more than enough.
In Canadian roads, this is,
मेरी गाड़ी की I think it's 160, which I feel is pretty powerful. Like
to be honest with you, if you have a
Maruti 800.
no, like any car which is 180 above, is good enough for Canadian.
Canadian roads. I don't know. किधर है McLaren?
So left में देख.
Oh भाई McLaren. Oh भाई. यहाँ पे वैसे Mercedes बहुत है मॉल में ना. Would you recommend other than this car in that price range?
The direct competition with this car would be a Porsche 911.
But this one looks much better than Porsche.
The only problem with the Porsche is that there is a lot of options that you have to tick.
Okay, this is the fully loaded kind of thing.
It's fully loaded, and the moment you start ticking off options or ticking in options, your price of the car goes way beyond what the worth of the car is.
True.
Right. So with Mercedes, it comes to a very good level of packages. But like for example, having a black lacquer steering wheel, this is an option. This is an option.
Okay.
Right, and then the seats.
What material is this?
They call it. Well, I'm assuming it's a hard plastic,
Okay.
but more of they say it as a black lacquer.
I really like this. This is all leather, right?
Yes, that's all.
Nice. This is even like the dashboard is leather.
Yeah.
And the sound system is
It's
what?
called Burmester.
Burmester?
Yes, that's correct. It's a pretty
Yeah, it has to be
high-end speaker system. Like
Nice.
how most companies like the Q7 has Bang & Olufsen.
B&O. Yeah.
Yep. So this Burmester used to be first supplied only to Rolls-Royce cars. But now Mercedes also is one of them. That
Nice.
is the base, which is the GT. Then there is the GTS.
GTS?
This is the GTC.
Okay.
So what Mercedes was doing is they were going right behind Porsche 911. So Porsche also has this variation of a track focus car and a road car. In between that is a variant is this one. So Mercedes also has इसके ऊपर जो है GTR है.
Okay.
So the GTR is basically if you're tracking your car, yes, you can have it.
Nice.
And it's got wider wings and things which are aesthetic.
My friend used to make fun of all these, all these Mazda 3s and all these people who put wings on their cars.
Yes.
And they're like, fuck, you don't even need, like anything that is street legal, you don't even really need wings and all that to keep it down,
That's true.
It's not, you're not doing those kind of speed limits.
Yeah.
इसका ये भी बड़ा सही है.
Yep. That's not touchscreen.
Damn it.
Because everything is controlled here. I can control these stuff from here.
Oh, it's not touchscreen. Oh, wow.
Yeah. So यहाँ पे I can control the exhaust noise. I can turn off.
Exhaust noise? How do you control that?
Yeah. So if you see that's red right now. Light.
Yeah.
And if I press that.
Yeah.
See,
this
turned
pops up here. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, then you can play around with. So you can reduce the noise and everything.
That's good.
Nice. So what happens? There's a
There's a
lid.
valve.
Oh, the valve that opens up.
Yes.
Oh,
So the valve
that is awesome.
closes.
Like you wanna do a flyby, like you can just pull it out. और day भी बहुत मस्त है आज का actually.
Yeah. Finally.
इसके बाद अगर I think he has to leave soon, so I just came by to see the car and everything. So let me know what is your dream car. I don't know, his dream car is probably like next level, but मेरा dream तो actually मेरा कोई dream नहीं था कार को लेके, but I really like the Audi R8.
Yeah. That's a good competitor.
Yeah, to this too, right? So you can either get Audi R8, Mercedes GT, and you can tell me about this car if you know about this car, and if you guys are into cars, just comment down below what kind of cars would you like me to make videos of, because he's very connected in the car community kind of thing, and मैं ज़्यादा bikes में हूँ. So soon when the summer hits, I'm gonna take him around, and basically he'll take me around for some nice car meetups, and we can showcase more cars. Alright guys, that was it. मैं आया था संदीप की गाड़ी देखने, नई DS ने भी 1100 किलोमीटर. अमेजिंग कार, और स्पोर्ट्स कार का पहला मेरा एक्सपीरियंस था. इतनी हाई एंड स्पोर्ट्स कार में पहली बार बैठा था मैं भाई. सो मज़ा आ गया. क्या फाड़ लग रही है लेकिन. चलो भाई, बस ये कि बाइक का ही फ़ायदा है कि मैं निकल सकता हूँ यहाँ से. क्या मस्त मौसम है लेकिन यार, मज़ा आ गया. तो थोड़ी बाइक राइड पे चलते हैं. दैट्स इट. दिन का एक पार्ट था मेरा, तो आई हैड टू कम डाउन एंड वर्क ऑन दिस वीडियो. एंड काफ़ी अच्छी गाड़ी थी यार, मज़ा आ गया. एक्चुअली फील आ गई पूरी. कमेंट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो दैट व्हाट इज़ योर ड्रीम कार. क्या आपके प्लान्स है गाड़ी को लेके, and let me know if I should make this kind of videos more often. Thank you for watching MostlyMotoVlogs. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Peace out. Bye bye. ट्रैफिक देख रहे हो भाई, बहुत बड़ा ट्रैफिक है. निकल जाओ उसमें से. ये देखो यहाँ पे चिड़िया रोटी खा रही है. रोटेशनल ड्राइव. What the?
Subscribe, motherfucker.